How to trim on Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. First, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel if you're not yet subscribed, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you want, and let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna open Photoshop. After you open Photoshop, you have to create a new project. How? That's by either going to the upper left and click on File and choose New, or create a new project from the home page. After that, we need to create an object. We're gonna go to the Select tool and the Ellipse Select tool, drag an ellipse, and fill it with a solid color. We're gonna fill it with black. Go again to the Select tool and right click and deselect it. Now we have this object, which is an ellipse. We need the background to be evenly distributed, as it's now not distributed evenly, so we're gonna trim it. That's by going to Image and choosing Trim, then click on OK. As you can see, now the background is evenly distributed and equally distributed around the corners of the object. That's much easier than the traditional way of cropping manually. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video. If you liked it, click on the like button. And don't forget also to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have on the video, and have a nice day.